Hello everyone, welcome to Trains on Tuesday. As you can see, we're out in the shed with the Triang layout. Ginty and 1 6-inch LMS coach racing around. I don't have much on the track today, but my main purpose was just come out and take a look at how it would look with a few extra buildings on it. So I've added my super quick buildings that I have, and I've added some signals. Yeah, pretty good. A couple of vehicles and even a couple of road signs. There's the back of one there. That's a Hornby one, I think. The name on it is Gilco, which is a little odd to me. I always thought they were Hornby. Anyway, here's one. More appropriate size. And this, on the bottom, says Lesney. So these, I've got a couple of them. There's another one in front of the lorry there. Those are actually Matchbox. Anyway. One of the things I wanted to do out here was try out my Hornby 00 level crossing. But the track doesn't fit in the space. None of these tracks, not the System 6 or Series 3 or any of them actually fit into there. So gotta have Hornby 00 track for that. And I've got my Hornby 00 aluminium or aluminum station building there. Anyhow, we've got an unboxing to do here today, so hold tight while I get things ready. So this arrived in the mail on Friday. This is Sunday actually, so this has been sitting, quarantining the outside of the package since Friday when it arrived, and we're going to delve into that in a moment. So hold tight while I complete the cutting of the tape. Okay, tape's cut. Let's open things up here. Paperwork, and what have we got here? I'm gonna have to reset the camera to look at this. Okay, we got the camera set right. So Pico Scenic Background Photographic Series, the SKP04 Countryside Landscape. Wow, that looks nice. Ooh. That looks very nice. I think this is probably going to get used more for my photo backdrops for my model kits that I build, rather than on the layout, but I don't know, I might find a place on the layout for it. And our other item, the main item, get it out. Looks like a shed. There we go. Hornby Class 66, number 66713, Forest City. There's a story behind that name, Forest City, and one of the things about it is I've been misnaming it. I've been calling it Forest Green for some reason. Anyway, Forest City. The Class 66 locomotives that are so, what's the word, ubiquitous I suppose, in England They're everywhere. The best freight locomotives they've ever had. The majority of them were built in London, Ontario, Canada, at a place called Forest City. And this was the last one built, I believe. I could be wrong about that. But anyway, this one has been named Forest City. And I thought that was great. This was a pre-order. I ordered it last year. It was a surprise when it came. So anyway, I'll get her out of the box and we'll try to give her a run around the triangle layout. Well, it ran fine on the Series 6 track and on the Super 4. The Ginty's got the Series 3, so we'll give this a try. Just a gentle try on the standard track. Here we go. Wow. Let's try it through the point work. Beautiful. I hope you've enjoyed this Trains on Tuesday, and I hope to see you again next week. Bye for now, everyone.